Linking Python with ATML is commonly achieved through web frameworks like Flask or Django. These frameworks allow you to create web applications where Python scripts can dynamically generate HTML content. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through using Flask, which is lightweight and beginner-friendly. Tutorial linking Python with HTML using Flask prerequisites. 1. Python installed. Ensure you have Python 3 installed on your machine. Flask installed. You can install Flask using pip. If you haven't done so, bash pip install Flask. Step 1. Create a basic Flask application. 1. Create a project directory. Create a new folder for your project. Create the main Python file. Create a file named app.py. Create a templates directory. Flask looks for templates in a folder named templates. Create this folder bashmter templates. 2. Create an ATML file inside the templates folder. Create a file named index.html. Run the Python script in your terminal. Navigate to your project directory and run bash python app.py. 2. Access the web application. Open a web browser and go to 127.00.15,000. You should see the message "Hello World." Step 4. Dynamic content. With Python you can make your application more dynamic by passing different variables to your HTML template. For example, let's modify the home function to accept a name as a query parameter. Update the home function in Python app route def home name request or get name world of default to world. If no name is provided, return render template index. Name. Make sure to import request at the top of your file. Python from Flask. Import Flask render template request now. If you open your browser and visit at 127.00.15,000. Name John. You should see Hello John. Conclusion. You've successfully created a simple Flask application that links Python with ATML. You can expand this by adding more routes, handling forms, or connecting to a database. Flask is powerful and flexible, allowing you to create dynamic web applications easily. Additional resources: Flask documentation, HUTS Flask, Pollitt's projects, ATML documentation, developer Mozilla, Organ, US Docs, Web ATML Python documentation, HUTS Docs Python org 3 feel free to explore these resources for more in-depth knowledge and advanced features. By views for to Flores so you well you view how you